Hi and welcome. It's Melinda, and I just wanted to share with you what you get when you order this free keto cookbook that you can on my website, Bacon and Butter. So the free version, clearly they want to make money. The free version is a promotional. So you actually do get this whole PDF featuring 150 different ketogenic recipes. But the nice thing about this is there's a quick start guide, and I'll see if I can't make this a little bit bigger. Here we go. And it tells you how to get on track really quickly, which is nice. Fat is your friend. It teaches you how the ketogenic diet was formulated and the theories behind it. They talk a little bit about the ratios and the foods to avoid. And then you get into the recipes. Super rich smoothies and shakes. Those are always fun in the beginning. I not a big fan of shakes anymore, but when I was first getting adjusted to the ketogenic diet, chocolate peanut butter shakes. So yummy. And then snacks, cheese, crackers, French onion dip, yummy, yummy, yummy. Caprese salad bites. I will admit now I probably just grab some blue cheese dressing and some celery sticks because I know those are going to be low carb. And I know they're going to be delicious and I'll like them. But if you're a cook and you want to play around in the kitchen, it's always fun to try out, fun stuff like keto macaroni and cheese, cauliflower rice. Yeah, I don't bother with things that are supposed to taste like carby things. I like to stick with the favorites: fish, steak, bacon. If they're going to taste like the wonderful things that they already are. Buffalo wings, those are yummy though. So as you can see, there is a lot of variety you can have on the ketogenic diet, and if you get creative and want to, you can come up with stuff like brownies, chocolate covered bacon, zucchini muffins. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see some of the pictures that they share. See, oh, pretty food. I think that's an egg wrapped up in something. Talks about ketosis. And, it's annoying, but you didn't pay for the book, the digital download, so you get the promotional copy. And they do that so you won't give it away and call it your own. Simple as that. But as you can see, you can easily read it. You can download your favorite recipes. You can print out the ones that you're going to use often. And there's a lot of good information about it. Like it talks about sometimes we eat just because. And one thing you can do to avoid doing that is just drink a glass of water. And see more recipes. Yogurt parfait with chia seeds. I love Greek yogurt. As some variety to my regular breakfasts on the ketogenic diet because it's very low carb, fits nicely into it. Bacon, egg, and cheese cups. Yeah, see, this is something that I would do on a Saturday morning when I have a little bit extra time because the cook time's 35 minutes. Usually I'm a 5-minute, throw the eggs in the pot, scramble them up, and consume them within 10 minutes. So yeah, I do like a crustless quiche Lorraine though. That's fantastic. Love crustless quiches. They're just cheesy, goodness. I haven't tried making the Scotch egg yet, but you see there's tons and tons. Ooh, a portobello sausage and cheese breakfast burger. And then as you scroll down, you can see, let's see if we can find some sumptuous snacks. I'm not a snacker. But as you can see, It's a cookbook. Bacon wrapped scallops and broccolini. And see, if you just want to go with the free version, you can grab this page and print it out. All you'd have to do is Control P and then type in the page number you want. And then print it out. Steamed mussels with garlic and thyme. Coconut shrimp. Love it. So there's lots and lots of different recipes, 150 of them. And that just gives you a good idea of, what can I eat on the ketogenic diet? What low carb things can I incorporate into my life? So, thanks for watching. If you're interested in this, you can find my link here at getfitandhealthyathome.com. I will include that in the description below. And I hope you have a great day. Remember, as always, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe below.